So here we have the Ford Kuga Titanium X Automatic on a 66 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. But as you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So the tailgate on this car will open electronically. You have a button on the key. At the bottom here, you just need to press it twice in quick succession and the tailgate will open. As you'll see, when we approach the rear of the car, we've got reversing sensors, loads of boot space, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat as well. So we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it really is in great condition the whole way round. Just before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, you get full leather seats. The driver's seat is actually 10-way electrically adjustable. You can watch a full video on that on our Facebook page. There's plenty of other bits to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we've got the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. You'll see the fuel gauge at the bottom there, and then above that, we've got a trip computer, which includes the total miles on this car of 15,405. To the right of that, it will show you what gear the car is currently in, and the information displayed above it can be changed using the buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. You can have a digital readout for the speedometer, should you wish to. If we move out to the steering wheel now, they are the buttons I was using a moment ago on the trip computer. Beneath that, we've got cruise control and speed limiter. And then over to the right-hand side, we've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So once you pair up a phone, hit that button, ask it to dial someone in your contacts list, and it will do that for you. Also, just behind the steering wheel, we've got these plus and minus paddles. So the minus paddle is on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. They can be used to change the gear manually if you put the gearbox into a manual mode, which I'll show you in a second. Up on the touchscreen here is where you would connect your phone. In terms of music, there's a lot of ways of listening to music in this car. You've got FM, AM and DAB digital radio, as well as a CD player. You can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, and this car's got a USB socket, so you can connect devices that way and listen to music via those should you wish to. The CD player is just above the unit, as you can see there. If we press the home button, we've also got satellite navigation. So very easy to input a destination, just hit the destination box. You can put in a postcode, street name, point of interest, anything like that. Working our way down, we've got the dual zone climate control. So let me just move the gear lever out of the way and it'll be easier to see. So you can adjust the temperature independently on the left and right hand sides of the car. Fan speed is adjustable just here. And then you can turn the air conditioning on by pressing that button, or you can hit auto and the car will maintain those temperatures for you. For the winter, we've also got a heated front screen, heated driver seat and heated passenger seat just there. We can turn off the car's stop and start. So the car's designed to cut out in traffic when you're stationary to save you fuel. You can turn that off should you wish to. You can open the boot from inside the car. That will turn on or off the front parking sensors. And this button, if I push that, this will allow you to parallel park the car automatically. The car will do all of the steering for you. You can choose which side of the road that you're looking for a space on and parallel park, or you can park in a bay like you would in a supermarket, for example. And again, we have a full video of that on our Facebook page. Working our way back down to here, we've got the 12-volt charging socket and electric handbrake. And then in the central armrest, we've got 2 USB sockets. The last thing I wanted to talk about while we're inside the car is the panoramic roof. So this is a panoramic roof and sunroof. You have a button there that will open up the visor. It will stop halfway and it will allow you to go all the way back should you wish to, which lets in a huge amount of light. And then you've got this sunroof section just here, which is slide and tilt. So you can slide that one shut should you want it closed, and it's now closed. But you can tilt it open should you wish to, and that's the maximum amount of tilt that it will allow. As you can see, it lets in a huge amount of light and air as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.